The first winner is 10-10-10, run for the Pasig River.
The top awardee for this year's LAA cycle, Kapit Bisig para sa Kapilog, ABS-CBN Foundation.
We just had the Business Excellence Awarding Ceremonies for 2010 cycle. The highlight actually is the Locus Achievement Award, for which the top awardee is Kapit Bisig for Ilog Pasig. Your two nominations were related, obviously the run and then the cleaning up of the Pasig River. It happened in the past na pag-related na nomination yun, di pag-isahin isang award. Pwede namang manalo yung clean up by itself. Di talagang nalinis nila yung Estero de Paco. But the run, yun yung nakita ng judges na talagang it triggered that passion amongst Filipinos na magtulungan tayo dito.
We are truly grateful of this award. Kapit Bisig para sa Ilog Pasig believes that rehabilitating the river and transforming the communities alongside the Estero will bring about the resurgence of hope. And that is what the initiative is all about.
For God, for country, for our children, Mahan Sam.
With your help, the river will flow with life again.